welcome back to another episode of Stitch on Saturday. This week I'm going to be showing you guys how to do a magic circle or magical loop in crochet in order to crochet in the round, like when you're crocheting circles basically. I'm using Clover Takumi 5.5 mm hook, and then I'm using a worsted weight size 4 yarn. This is Big Twist. So basically what you do when you want to make a magic circle is you're going to take a yarn, you're going to leave a little bit of yarn, like a tail, a little bit of a tail, then you're going to wrap it around twice, around your finger twice like that. And then you're going to put your hook through under both of the loops. You're going to pull one loop up, and then you're going to chain one like that. There you have a magic circle. So you can tighten it or loosen it. And so I'm going to show you again. So basically you're looping the yarn over your finger twice with the tail hanging off like that. And then you're going to just go under both of the loops. You're going to pull the second loop through the first loop. And then you're going to chain one, or whatever the so just chain into that there. So then you're going to just follow the pattern. Sometimes they'll tell you to chain 2 and then crochet, double crochet around, or they ask you to chain 1 and then single crochet around. So let's just do single crochet. So I'm just going to be doing single crochets around. So this is gonna single crochet. Let's do like, I don't know how many is that, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Let's do 13, and then you can, and then basically what you do is you just slip stitch into the first stitch, and then what you want to do is you want to close this circle tight. So you want to pull it in the back. You're going to pull that tail that you left in the beginning, and it usually closes up the circle. So yeah, like that. The best I can do right now, but it's supposed to close the circle all the way. So there you have it, little tiny circle. So that's how you do the magic circle in crochet. Thank you for joining me. I hope you enjoyed learning this technique, and it's a very useful when you make hats or when you're doing anything in the round basically. This is how a lot of crochet projects start. So thank you for joining me, and I hope you join me again next week. Take care. Bye bye.